How to read septic tank inspection reports for solid buildup. Septic tank inspection reports may look complex, but they hold the key to understanding the health of your system. One of the most critical aspects to watch is solid buildup, which directly affects performance and longevity. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Learning how to read these reports helps prevent costly repairs. 1. Check sludge depth. Reports usually show the thickness of the sludge at the bottom. If it reaches more than 1/3 of the tank's depth, it's a clear sign that pumping is needed. 2. Look at the scum layer. The scum layer floats on top of the liquid. A thick scum layer often indicates imbalance in waste breakdown and possible overflow of solids into the outlet. 3. Review baffles and filters. These parts stop solids from moving to the drain field. Reports that mention cracks, damage, or clogging mean urgent maintenance is required to avoid drain field failure. 4. Inspect effluent clarity. The liquid between sludge and scum should be relatively clear. Cloudy liquid or floating solids show that waste is not separating properly, which can cause backups. 5. Watch for red flags. Phrases like excessive solids, restricted flow, or elevated sludge in the report are warnings. Ignoring them may lead to serious and expensive damage. 6. Follow professional advice. Most reports end with recommendations such as pumping schedules, filter cleaning, or system checks. Following these ensures your septic system runs efficiently. Reading a septic tank inspection report does not need to be complicated. By focusing on sludge depth, scum thickness, effluent clarity, and filter condition, homeowners can quickly spot problems. Addressing solid buildup early keeps your septic tank reliable and protects the drain field for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.